My factory will attend the biggest exhibition in the Asia about the hair exhibition in the China, held in Guangzhou. The date from 12 to 14 April. I prepare a lot of hair, 100 real Vietnamese, and my factory and own customer and my partner will have an opportunity to see each other on this opportunity. This is very fantastic. If you want to see the real hair and see Vietnam hair in the Canton Fair exhibition, please attend Canton Fair and we can meet each other for more business opportunity. Thank you so much. See you soon.
الشوق في عيني بان والقلق والجنان وشفته مع